This is the medicine building.
Carol's not happy.
It's Schindler. Oh, whoa. Whoa, this is neat. I've never seen this. That is a feature on newer 330As where you can like, I forget what it's called, but it's like, yeah, they're just matte fixtures. Yeah, this is a newer 330A install. Really new.
You don't say. This building was very recently modernized.
Alright, let's hope the motor's good. And it's here. What?
That phone button is an awful spot.
Yeah, that's neat. I've never seen God. Yeah, I've never seen this. Since it's an obvious medicine building, it's the size of a hospital elevator.
Well,
His big brother,
what?
Schindler HT. Yeah, the message. That's so cool. I've never seen that. Yeah, I want to watch it close. That way. There it goes, and that's it.